Hello, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to ESS Computer. Today, I'm delighted to introduce our invoice and stock management software, a complete billing and stock management solution specially designed for garment businesses, wholesalers, and retail shops. This software helps you create professional invoices, manage customer-wise pricing, automatically maintain accurate stock, and manage your complete daily billing operations quickly, accurately, and efficiently, all from one easy-to-use application. Now, let's take a quick look at some of its powerful features. With Create Bills in Seconds, you can generate professional invoices within seconds, reducing manual work, saving valuable time, and improving billing efficiency. Using Hold Customer Bills, any incomplete invoice can be placed on hold and is always displayed first, allowing you to resume billing in time without searching for pending invoices. The software also supports 3-inch POS thermal receipt printing, enabling you to print clear, professional receipts instantly after every sale. After every successful invoice, stock is updated automatically, helping you maintain accurate inventory without any manual stock entry. Another intelligent feature is customer-wise last selling price, where the software automatically remembers each customer's previous selling price, ensuring consistent pricing, reducing billing mistakes, and speeding up every transaction. With powerful reports and quick search, you can instantly find invoices, customers, products, and business reports within seconds. To keep your valuable business information protected, the software also provides one-click data backup, allowing you to securely backup all your business data within seconds. Built with security, reliability, and simplicity, ESS Computer, Invoice, and Stock Management software helps businesses work faster, reduce billing errors, and improve overall productivity. Now, let's explore each feature of the software in detail. Are you still managing your billing and stock manually? If your answer is yes, you're probably facing these challenges every single day. Manual billing is slow, time consuming, and prone to errors, making it difficult to manage your business efficiently. Keeping track of your stock manually, managing previous dues, remembering different customer prices, finding hold bills, and performing manual calculations can become stressful as your business grows. These daily challenges often result in more errors, more stress, and more time spent on paperwork instead of focusing on your customers and growing your business. That's why more and more businesses are choosing ESS invoice and stock management software. With fast billing, smart stock control, secure backup, better reports, and professional post-thermal bill printing, ESS Computer helps simplify your daily operations and manage your business with confidence. That's exactly why ESS Computer developed this invoice and stock management software. Now, let's see how it solves these everyday business challenges. Now, let's explore the billing screen, where creating a professional sales invoice becomes fast, accurate, and effortless. Whenever you create a new invoice, the software automatically generates the next bill number, eliminating the need for manual numbering. If a customer requests to continue a previously saved bill, simply enable Hold Bill, and all hold invoices are displayed first, making them easy to find without searching. The software also remembers each customer's last selling price, helping you maintain consistent pricing and complete billing much faster. During invoice preparation, you can add new items or remove existing items at any time without affecting the remaining bill. If required, special customer discounts can also be applied instantly. All calculations, including the gross amount, discount, previous due adjustment, and final payable amount, are performed automatically, ensuring 100% accurate billing. The software also supports partial payments. For example, if the total bill amount is 5,000 rupees and the customer pays 4,000 rupees, the software automatically records the payment and keeps the remaining 1,000 rupees as due, making outstanding balance management simple and accurate. For faster operation, the software supports keyboard shortcuts, allowing experienced users to complete billing with minimal effort. Finally, with a single click, you can save the invoice, print a professional bill, or generate a detailed report, making the entire billing process simple, efficient, and reliable. Now, Let's see how easy it is to create a sales invoice using ESS Computer, Invoice and Stock Management Software. Whenever you start a new bill, the software automatically generates the next bill number. So there is no need to maintain bill numbers manually. Next, simply select a customer from the customer list or select cash for cash billing. If you want to check the customer's previous selling rates, just click the Party Rate List button. If a customer leaves before completing the purchase, you can place the bill on hold. All hold bills are always displayed at the top, allowing you to continue the invoice later without searching. Now, enter the quantity and select the required product from the item list. As soon as you select the product, the software automatically retrieves the customer's last selling price, saving time, reducing pricing mistakes, and ensuring consistent pricing. For special products, you can simply switch the option on or off whenever required. As you continue adding products, the software automatically updates the gross amount. You can apply customer discounts, adjust previous outstanding dues, and include delivery charges if applicable. Every calculation is performed automatically, ensuring complete billing accuracy. The billing screen also displays the total quantity of special items and local items, helping you monitor your sales quantity more effectively. After completing the invoice, simply enter the amount received from the customer. If the customer pays the full amount, the transaction is completed immediately. If only a partial payment is received, the software automatically records the paid amount and keeps the remaining balance as the due amount for future collection. Finally, with a single click, you can save the invoice, print a professional bill, edit an existing invoice, delete an incorrect bill, or generate a detailed report, making your entire billing process faster, more accurate, and completely hassle-free. Now, let's understand the complete sales invoice workflow of ESS Computer Invoice and Stock Management Software. This intelligent workflow is designed to make your billing process simple, fast, and highly accurate. Let's begin by selecting the customer from the customer list, or simply choose cash billing for walk-in customers. If the customer is new, you can create a new customer instantly. Next, enter the required quantity and select the product from the item list. As soon as the product is selected, the customer's last selling price is filled automatically, helping you maintain consistent pricing and complete billing much faster. If the selected item belongs to a special product category, simply change the option to on, otherwise keep it off depending on your billing requirement. If required, you can also apply a product-wise discount to individual items or provide an additional discount on the complete invoice. Every calculation is updated instantly. Throughout the billing process, the software automatically calculates the gross amount, total discount, net amount, paid amount, due amount, and the final amount to be received, ensuring complete billing accuracy without any manual calculations. After verifying the invoice, simply click Save, Print, Edit, Delete, Report, or Party Rate List according to your requirement. With this simple and intelligent workflow, ESS, Computer Invoice and Stock Management Software, helps you complete every sales invoice quickly, accurately, and professionally. Creating an invoice is only one part of your daily business. Managing completed and pending invoices efficiently is just as important. ESS, Computer Invoice and Stock Management Software, provides a dedicated sales invoice management screen to help you organize, review, and complete your daily billing operations with ease. Sometimes, a customer may leave before the billing process is completed. Instead of creating the invoice, again, simply place it on hold. The software safely stores the unfinished invoice, allowing you to continue exactly where you left off without losing any billing information. Even if your business generates hundreds or thousands of invoices, finding a specific invoice is quick and simple. Search instantly by bill number or customer name and retrieve any invoice within seconds. Before preparing the next invoice, you can review the customer's party rate history, allowing you to review previous selling prices, maintain consistent pricing, and avoid pricing mistakes. After verifying the invoice, simply click Save to store it securely or print a professional customer invoice with a single click. Once the current invoice is completed, the software automatically prepares the next bill number, allowing you to continue billing immediately without interruption. The Invoice Quantity Summary 4 provides a quick overview of the total quantity, spatial quantity, and local quantity, helping you verify the billing details at a glance. With this powerful invoice management system, ES is computer invoice and stock management software helps you organize invoices, continue pending bills, review customer pricing history, and manage your daily billing operations with confidence, efficiency, and complete accuracy. Hello everyone. In this slide, let's explore the product master and item management system of ES's computer invoice and stock management software. Unlike traditional billing software, where products must be created manually before billing, our software can automatically build your product master while you create sales invoices. Whenever you bill a new product for the first time, its details are automatically saved in the product master, making it available for future invoices. For products that already exist, simply start typing the product name or select it from the drop-down list. The software instantly displays matching products, helping you complete billing faster and more accurately. The product master stores important information such as the product name, optional category, last selling price, and the last sold date, making product management simple and organized. The software also remembers each customer's last selling price and automatically fills the correct rate during billing. This reduces manual typing, ensures pricing consistency, and speeds up invoice preparation. If required, you can apply a product-wise discount to individual items without changing the original selling price stored in the product master. For businesses that deal with special categories of products, the optional special product feature can be enabled whenever required. Because every new product is automatically saved, there is no need to create the same product again, saving valuable time, reducing typing, and minimizing billing errors. Overall, the Intelligent Product Master keeps your product database organized, simplifies product management, and helps you complete daily billing faster, easier, and more efficiently. Now, let's move to the next feature, Reports and Search, where you can quickly find, track, and manage every invoice in seconds. Hello everyone. Now, let's explore the Reports and Search module of ES's computer invoice and stock management software. As your business grows, managing previous invoices becomes just as important as creating new ones. With this powerful module, you can quickly search and retrieve any invoice using the bill number, customer name, or a selected date range, making invoice retrieval fast and effortless. The report displays important billing information, including the bill number, customer name, invoice date, total items, gross amount, discount, net amount, and invoice status, giving you a complete overview in one organized screen. Each invoice is clearly marked as paid, due, or hold, allowing you to identify its current status at a glance. Need to review or make changes to an invoice? Simply double-click the required record to open it instantly. You can then view, edit, update, or print the invoice whenever required. If your customer requests another copy, simply reopen the invoice and print it again without creating a new bill. For better business analysis, reports can also be exported to Microsoft Excel, making it easy to share information, apply additional filters, or maintain your business records. With powerful search options, organized reports, quick invoice access, and instant reprinting, the Reports and Search module helps you manage your complete billing history quickly, accurately, and efficiently. Now, let's move to the next feature, POS Thermal Bill Printing. Hello everyone. Now, let's explore the POS Thermal Bill Printing feature of ES's computer invoice and stock management software. Once the billing process is completed, the software instantly generates a professional 3 inches POS thermal receipt ready for printing. The receipt contains all the essential billing information, including the invoice number, date, customer name, product details, quantity, rate, discount, net amount, paid amount, due amount, and a thank you message presented in a clean, compact, and easy to read format. Its compact design reduces paper consumption while providing your customers with a professional billing experience. If a customer requests another copy, simply reopen the invoice and print it again without creating a new bill. The software is compatible with most standard 3 inches POS thermal printers, making installation quick, simple, and hassle-free. With one-click printing, you can generate receipts instantly, reduce customer waiting time, improve service efficiency, and handle more customers during busy business hours. Fast, professional, and reliable. Pause. Thermal receipt printing is another reason why ESS computer invoice and stock management software delivers a better billing experience for both you and your customers. Now, let's explore why businesses choose ESS computer. Hello, everyone. So far, you've seen how ESS computer invoice and stock management software simplifies your complete billing process from invoice creation and invoice management to product management, reports, and professional pose, thermal bill printing. But choosing software is not only about powerful features, it's about reliability, long-term support, and trust. At ESS Computer, we understand the daily challenges faced by garment businesses, wholesalers, and retail shops. That's why we've developed a practical, reliable, and easy-to-use solution designed to simplify your daily business operations. Our software helps you reduce manual work, improve billing accuracy, save valuable time, and increase overall business efficiency. We are committed to providing regular software updates, dependable customer support, and continuous improvements based on real customer feedback. Whether you operate a single shop or multiple business locations, ESS Computer Invoice and Stock Management software grows with your business and supports you every step of the way. Choose ESS Computer and experience a smarter, faster, and more professional way to manage your business. Finally, let's conclude our presentation with a thank you message. Thank you for watching. We sincerely appreciate your time and interest in ESS Computer Invoice and Billing software. We hope this presentation has given you a clear understanding of how our software can simplify your daily billing, improve business efficiency, and support the growth of your business. If you would like to experience the software before making your decision, we invite you to schedule a free demonstration and see how it can meet your business requirements. For more information or to book your free demo, please contact us. WhatsApp +919830535352. Email nirupam.ess1@gmail.com. We will be happy to answer your questions and help you find the right billing solution for your business. Thank you once again. We look forward to serving you soon.